In what was a fairly quiet week for economic announcements, internationally, US core durable goods orders showed a significantly higher month-on-month increase at 1.8% as opposed to the predicted 0.2%. Brent crude had its strongest week of gains since August of last year, but is still down 5% in 2016. US stockpiles came in the highest in 80 years, offset by a drop in rig count by 13 to 400. Brent is currently trading at $35.31 per barrel. Last week's main focus was on the budget speech delivered by Praveen Gordhan, wherein the highlights included a raising of capital gains tax from 13.7 to 16.4% for individuals and 18.6 to 22.4% for companies. Transfer duty on property sales above 10 million rand will be raised from 11 to 13%. There will be a sugar tax from the 1st of April 2017. A tyre levy will be implemented from the 1st of October. The plastic bag levy will be increased from 6 to 8 cents per bag. And finally, sin taxes on alcohol and tobacco will increase by a minimum of 6%. The above did little to shore up our local market, and weakness, particularly in Asia this morning, has led to global risk-off sentiment, leading most markets lower in morning trade. Locally, rumours that Barclays will be selling its majority stake in ABSA has served to weaken sentiment in the financial sector, leading the local top 40 lower. The rand has weakened quite dramatically against the majors, trading at 22 rand 36 to the pound, 17 rand 62 to the euro, and 16 rand 12 to the US dollar. Precious metals have also rallied in line with weaker equity markets, with gold trading at $1,232 an ounce and platinum trading 0.2% up at $921.50 per ounce. Locally, in corporate announcements and data, the following companies are going ex-dividend today: Hudeco, Resilient and Woolworths, whilst we are expecting results from the following companies: Afrox, Bidvest, Steinhoff, Barclays Africa, Royal Buffer King, Growthpoint, Nedbank, Santam, Exaro, MMI Holdings, MTN Group, Standard Bank and Aspen. The rest of the week's emphasis on international economic data shifts to China for the Chinese and Kaizen PMI numbers due tomorrow, along with PMI numbers from the UK, US and South Africa. Locally, we are also expecting South African GDP data tomorrow. The end of the week sees the focus shift to the USA as we see the publication of weekly unemployment claims, non-farm payroll numbers, average hourly earnings, trade balance data and the unemployment rate.